What's up mga kalapatids, mga kahappy ko, mga kabro, mga kasis, mga kabrokotok, mga paturok. Here I am again, happy ending vlog TV, happy ending love at your service. So for today's topic, I want to share to you how I inject my PMV vaccine to my birds. Okay? So don't go away, samahan nyo ako. Guys, okay, this is the one I'm using for vaccination. This is for PMV. This is the brand. You can use any brand as long as it's for PMV. Okay, so this is available here. Ito yung available dito sa Dubai sa pagka-ngayon. 0.3 ml per bird. So I set my injection 0.3. Okay. So this is where we are using for PMV. And then you need to have this isopropyl alcohol to spray the back of their neck. So I transfer this one in here. So you can transfer the alcohol in a small container, which is this is before it's a perfume. So you can put it here, easy. Okay. So once again, this is the brand I'm using here in Dubai. So that is the brand. So make sure your PMV vaccine is not expired. Always check the expiry date. This one, and make sure you put some small tub with the ice and water to maintain the coldness. The virus will not die. Okay, so para hindi mamamatay yung virus, because you need to maintain the virus alive. So it's useless if the virus is already dead. Okay guys, so we're going to vaccine now our breeder. Actually, this is the continuation. Okay, guys, so we will proceed to our breeder loft so that we can inject again all our breeders. Because today morning we already done our flyers, so I already injected them, so only the breeders remaining. So this is our injection. So we will just keep aside, make sure that it's cold. You put it in the cold water so that it will not die. The virus, it's very important, should be always alive. Okay, so that is our vaccine, Colomba brand. We just keep it here, and we're basketing our breeders, so it's easy when we proceed our vaccination. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so these are all our breeders. This one, and all of them. Okay, so also our stock hens, we will inject them all. So that is our stock hens. This is the Arden young bird. Okay, so we will basket natin sila. We will basket them so that easy for us to vaccinate. Okay, we will take first this side. There are around 13 cups. So, this side first we take. Ito yung unahin natin para vaccine natin. Mga breeder natin. This is our old Shirleykin. So, time for vaccination. Binabaksin ko yung ibon once a year. I'll do it once a year if it is a breeder. And for the flyers, I do it twice. Like if they are 1 month old, youngster 1 month old, and then before the race, because we raise them like after 8 months, 6 months, 8 months old. So again, I vaccinated them. Okay, so ganun yung ginagawa ko. Binabaksin ko sila ng 1 month old sila at before the race, like 2 months before the race. So I already give them another vaccine. Okay, so we will collect all the breeders' cup so that it's easy for us to vaccinate. Still with me. Okay, this is our breeders. We already keep in the box. So make sure that they are all healthy. Okay, make sure all your birds are healthy before you're giving injection of PMV. Okay? Alright guys, let's go sa go. Let's start. Okay mga kalapatids, mga kahapit ko, mga kabruto ko, mga kasis, mga kabro. Alright, ilagay na natin sa sa box yung mga breeder cup natin. We're putting already in the box so that it's easy for us to inject. So I will start and I will show you which side you need to inject. Okay, which side of the back of the neck. Okay, so I will adjust the camera so that it's like easy. Okay. So make sure that your bird is healthy also before you do vaccination. Make sure everything is healthy. Otherwise, it's virus. So if they're not healthy, they become weak. Okay, so what I do, I will spray the alcohol back of their neck so that it's easy. Madali mong mahawi yung balahibo. Yung balahibo nila kasi masana. Okay? So make sure it will do like this. Easy for you. Okay? The skin. And now you proceed. Okay, just slant, don't do like that, straight away. Do a little slant, and you need to anuin mo konti yung skin, iangat, okay? Like that. That's it. Okay guys? So it's done. This is my Ardent, my Dolly, pure Dolly Ardent. So it's done. Keep it here. So we take another one. Okay. You need to hold like that. Okay, again. And make sure you will spray back of the neck so that it's easy for you to see the skin. Okay, only the skin. And then you press little bit like that. Anuhan mo, ipisilin mo ng konti like that, press it. And then it will little bit going up the skin. And then you will inject, slide. Okay, slide. Not like that, not straight. Slant little bit. Put inside the skin and then inject. Okay, that's it. So here, make sure that it's going inside. Okay, thank you so much mga kahapi ko, mga kabrukotok, mga patrok, mga kabro, sis. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. At kung sino pa yung hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe and click the notification bell, the all bell, so that you will be notified on time and updated to all my video. And thank you so much. I hope that you learn also about our topic today regarding how to inject the PMV vaccine in your warriors, in your birds. Okay, and shout out to Roger Bib, Skywalker Love, UPFI, Team UAE. Shout out to Talta Love, to Vista Love, John Skyline Love, Makulot Love, Algin, the Fury Love, Chupaing, Penots. Okay, big shout out sa'yo, boss. And to my kumpare, Artin Gonzaga, Striker Love, to Wilson, to all of you guys, thank you so much for all your support and subscribers, my followers in Facebook from Pakistan, from local here in UAE, Al Ain, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Oman, Saudi, GCC. Thank you so much. Europe and US, thank you so much for following my Facebook and my YouTube, subscribing my YouTube. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I would like to say thank you also to my wife, Juby, and to my kids and my mom with all their support. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Masalamat.